Hey guys, welcome back to the Slime Bros. I'm James.
I'm Liam.
And today I'll be showing you guys how to make regular slime. This video will be short, but I'm just going to be showing you guys how to make regular slime. And if you hear rustling, it's because Liam's counting his money. But yeah, let's get started. So all you're going to need is glue and some activator. I decided to use Tide today. So you can put as much glue as you want. However much glue you put is how much slime you're going to be able to get. Okay. And now you want to add some activator. And I'm not using color because Tide is blue. This Tide that I'm using is blue. There is clear Tide, but Tide that I'm using is unfortunately blue, so it will color it a bit already. And I want blue actually. But I may add some color later because I'm going to make this for my friend. So now you just want to mix until it all starts clumping. As you guys know, if you've seen any other of my slime videos. And you want to add a little at a time. Again, as you guys know, if you've seen any other of our slime videos. And I hope you guys have, because we've made about 5 slime videos, I think. So I hope you guys have seen them, because if you haven't, that means you missed 5 videos. Or you could miss more. But anyway, so now you just want to mix till it all starts clumping and stuff.
I need to whisper something.
Okay, 1 second, you guys.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, you don't have to whisper that. You can say it.
Yeah, I just don't want.
Can I say it?
Sure.
So he's $5.15. For some reason, he just didn't want.
I don't like sharing my mouth with money.
Okay. Anyway, now you just keep mixing. And for the regular slime, if you like to, I'm not because it is regular slime. And this is kind of like a 2-ingredient slime thing. Kind of. But if you want to, you can add lotion. That just makes it more stretchy. But I'm not. You can. You don't have to. Okay. So, once it starts pulling away from the side, you then want to knead it. Mine isn't quite, so I'm just going to add a tiny bit more Tide. I just added too much. And if you guys are wondering why I'm using Tide, just because this Tide scented and I want it to smell good. Plus, I just want to use Tide today. And I'm only using a tiny whiny bit. Okay. So, again, just keep mixing till it pulls away from the center of the bowl. And today, at my school, is a striped shirt day where we have to wear a striped shirt because it's Dr. Seuss week. So that's why I'm wearing this shirt. Okay, so I'm going to take it out and knead it. I am doing this on a table. You can do it on something else if you like to, even though I don't really know what else there is to knead it on. Okay, I definitely have to add more. I think I may need more after this. I may need to go get more Tide. I didn't use much at all, though. I filled it like 1/12 of the way anyway, so if I need more Tide, I won't be surprised. Sticking to the table. Okay, yeah, see, it covers it blue, definitely. Tide, I feel like, is a tiny whiny bit better than borax because it always makes it stretchy, always. And I'm like, how does it always make it so stretchy? Okay, there's a bit more Tide, so I'll just add it. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, I'll get that slime off after. There's slime on the cap of the Tide. So I'm just like, hey, I'll get that off after. So you just want to keep mixing. And guys, if I haven't said already, I'm pretty sure I have, but this will be a really quick video. I just decided to make it for you guys just because I want to show you how. Because my videos are always like, not complicated slimes, but like slimes that aren't just regular and plain stuff. I'll be right back. Let me just go get some more laundry detergent. Okay guys, I am back. I got some laundry detergent. And I'm just putting it on top, rubbing it around, and then poking it to mix it in. Because that's that's the easy way to mix, I feel like. If you just poke it. And then you can just mix it with your finger and stuff. And then also stretch it. Sorry about the creak, that's my chair. That was Liam, not me.
Yeah.
Oh god, it's really sticky right now. Okay. I'll add the rest. Because I barely got any. Should have got more. Okay. Mix that. It's not even the rest, I have a bit more in there. I got less than what I did in the first place. Guys, comment down below, have you ever made slime with borax? And have you ever made slime with Tide? And if you made slime with both Tide and borax, which one do you like better, the Tide slime or the borax slime? I'm going to have to say that I like Tide slime better just because, again, it stays stretchy. It's so stretchy. Even, I bet if you over borax it, it's probably still going to be stretchy. Because it's so stretchy. And then borax, I didn't even add much Tide. Borax, I will say you have to add, probably more Tide. I feel like more Tide. Yeah, you have to add more more borax, I feel like. And if you add too much, it makes it way too hard. I mean, it does with Tide too, but Tide just stays so stretchy. Okay, let me put it back in and get slime down there. That's just glue down there. I'm like, let me get the slime down there, and it's just glue. I mean, of course, right? Okay, add a bit of Tide. Come on. Come on. Okay. And I'm only using a bit, you guys. This isn't mine, this is my mom's.
Sorry
So I'm
about
just
this.
using a tiny one bit. Yeah, he's looking through the drawer. Sorry about that. But also, guys, you want to try to pick up all the slime that may be in your container or the bowl that you mix in. I mixed in this container. Because that can waste a lot of slime if you have it all over the side and stuff like that. I'm not saying that I have it all over the side, but I'm saying if you do, it could waste a lot of slime. And I personally don't think you should because I don't think glue is too cheap. And plus all the ingredients, because
It's like $11.
I get, well, for a gallon, I get so much slime supplies, like I always ask for it, and if I get money, I'll get it, and stuff like that. I'll get slime supplies, no matter what. And, considering all the slime supplies I get, it's probably added up to probably around $100 at this point. And so, I don't want to waste any because that's a lot of money to spend on slime supplies. But I mean, I'm addicted to it, so. Okay. So, I think this is still a bit sticky. You know, I'll add a tiny, whiny bit more, not much. Because it's just a tiny bit sticky. No, I'll just add the rest because there's not much left. As you can see. I'm not sure if you can see, actually. You know what? Okay, I'll just scoop it like that. Okay. And let me get the slime off the side of this. Okay. Mix that. Guys, by the way, if you make a slime too hard and you don't have lotion, but you still more glue, and you're like, oh no, I have no lotion to fix it, you can actually just add a bit more glue to make it more sticky. And you want to add glue where it's a point where it's a bit sticky, then you can add a bit more activator, but you don't want to over-activate at that time. Am I the only one who thinks that Tide makes slime like butter slime? I feel like it does. So I'm just taking a bit of the slime and rubbing the Tide that's at the bottom because it's still a bit sticky. And I don't want to get more. Okay guys, so that's how you make regular slime. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon down below to get notified every single time we upload a video. And yeah, I will see you guys soon, probably in a couple days, maybe tomorrow. But yeah, bye.